If you dey look me koro and you dey hear me whine, now be say you don't turn that gidigba on top of the chairman television station, Wazobia TV for on top Star Times channel 195. And this na the ogbonge program. When concern you, when concern me, when concern all of us will be Nigerian people. The program will give you license to talk am as e dey be for body as e dey hot. Every weekday from 10 to 11, we dey carry topic where they come on smoke. And today on, no go carry last. Wetin we dey discuss today? We dey look WIP, hashtag WIP, that is women in politics. We won't look Niger based on say, they talk say what a man can do. But in this case, what many men have tried to do since a woman don't rise up now, can't decide, say this is not the time to do them. We want to check the chances of Nigerian women inside politics and make we see how, if it possible, say they go do them. We go quarrel as usual, but because of say we get mama with us inside the house today, we no go be like fight. So, make I know, I go still not talk the name of the guest when they come, but she go chook mouth on top of this matter. Go allow Unkubi to do that very big introduction. My name is Ezo Gochokwode, and as usual, I don't already call his name. I know they alone inside studio. My brother, no time.
Yes, good morning, correct country people. Good morning, Nigerians, and good morning, our viewers where they watch us for house. We don't carry that same Ogbonge program coming at the month as E Dey Hot. And as Chukudi don't introduce me, my name still never changed. My name now Unkubi.
Yes, Unkubi, I've been talking say you go do am, but if like say you still
no, I go still we'll make we reserve am. We go do am when the time reach.
Yes, we go reserve am.
But you don't tell them say we'll get Ogbonge guests for house, and make we still everything still dey pipeline. So when that time reach, you go give them the kind of honor, the kind of introduction which she needs.
So we not go talk too much. We go straight into our discussion, but make una just stay tuned to una television because we carry very big guests. If we judge the size of the guest, now presidential guest, now we carry come. Make una no go anywhere. Now Unkubi, we don't hear wetin people get. You know, people don't they talk about Nigerian women for politics. You know, and some people don't they talk say if not be the government of President Jonah, when come out, come look say women are strong. I believe in women. I want to give them the chance. I want to give them the opportunity. You think say Nigerian women go get chance based on say the people where you they speak for, we not they see any woman for front. Oh no, I just they talk because now women
hey, Chuku, you don't start again. Nigerians now they hear them. They say people who they represent say we know they push women forward. We know they give them the chance. Because until waiting. See, I be one individual way, the people who they represent are my humble self. The people will be say, look, we believe in the integrity of the women.
That's a fallacious statement.
No, the terms not fallacious statement. I see they talk. Hold on, young man. We believe in the integrity of women. We believe in getting women involved in political activities where they take place for Obodo Nigeria. And I know go also deny the fact say the present government, of course, they don't try small. They don't try.
A+. So.
No, they give them
for
plus.
Women empowerment now A+.
Not be your own destiny to give them mark. Now the populists, Nigerians go say yes, whether they try or not. No can they give them mark because of say they support them. Just hold on. Now me they talk at the moment. So they don't try anyway to an extent, but I still believe say look, we still need to give women more chance, more opportunity to do it, to get themselves involved, actively involved in every angle of government. Because now woman born me. Now woman born you for her.
Before uncle.
Now woman be our mama. Now woman be your sister.
No, before where you go come from?
Wait, now woman be your sister. Now woman be my auntie. Now woman will go get married too. So everything about our life surround women. I mean, now women surround us. And when they grow up, now woman go still take care of us. Go go raise us up. So you go still say women on their own platform don't also understand how men they reason. Also understand, say, look, if I fit take over power, if they fit give me the opportunity to say, may I become president, say, look, I will fit turn things around. So now they can, we suppose at least extend their opportune level for government.
You know, all this way you talk now, I go clear my throat.
Clear, go ahead.
You know why I clear my throat?
Clear.
Because nothing will surprise me again.
Say what now.
Remember, say on top of this, as E Dey Hot. We don't discuss where.
I know. As you see, they come on that one. I never for once kicked against woman not being in politics.
But una talk.
Una talk. Say what? No talk.
Nigerians,
talk. I want to make you voice out that in 10 Nigerians. That's what you want to tell them.
Nigerians, I'm always cool. You know, they calm down. they always they talk and say, make we dey do our research to avoid argumentum ad ignorantiam.
See, no, they take time.
Coming from the point of ignorance. Now, una come here tell us, say, the office of the first lady, say, the office no make sense. You know the constitution, say, una go come out. Excuse me, make a land.
Hold on.
I must land.
You don't land. Nigeria don't hear what you want.
I never land.
Okay.
And for this same program, now you might come and tell you, say, are you telling us, say, the office of the first lady, say, it no make sense, say, you want scrap am, say, you want come out, based on, say, our constitution, no, they even, you don't
thank God, say, you mentioned the key word, constitution. Constitution.
Why you not change constitution? Una just come and talk,
who dey for power?
Una go come
no, who dey for power? I see they stand on the fact, say, who dey for power?
You think
not the same people wey they represent.
You think say na 1983, when person go wake up, just decide, say, na wetin want to do this. This is a democratic dispensation.
The fact say I talk, say, look, say, the person who they represent, Muhammadu Buhari, that is the only candidate who he say if he come into power.
Now you don't call name now.
Bring change.
Now
hold
you
on
don't
now.
call name now.
So hold on, young man. So bring change. See, the fact say he come and talk, say, look, the office of the first lady.
Say it no make sense.
You know talk say it no make sense.
Somehow if you break up
hear my word.
If you break up
hear me out. Say the office of the first lady know the constitution, and for that reason, why would they spend? Why would they give them the kind of portfolio, the kind of office, the kind of money?
Because women they important.
The kind of money. What did they come get?
Because
Ministry
women they important.
I don't say they know they important. What did they come get Ministry of Women Affairs for?
That Ministry of Women Affairs.
What did they come get Ministry of Special Duties for?
What in those special duties are Ministry of Women Affairs?
No, of course, these are the people you go need to empower, finance, so that they will carry out their women job effectively over where women.
Make I come ask you one question.
Okay.
When somebody now, when I go speak English, when they frolic with una, they chop from the same spoon with una, come and talk, say, he don't see one small picking, you know, the speaking don't, everything about him don't fool. He won't marry him as wife, put for house. Who be the people when champion the cause and the struggle against the people they take women as small children as a wife? You know if you talk, you don't in shock.
Why you could ask me that kind of question?
Why not ask you that kind of question?
Ask yourself, everything in the background of the person.
Represent.
Okay,
now
since you don't say this thing they on grant, why you never make any move to make sure you abolish them from constitution?
Thank you.
Why could they bring them up here?
Thank you.
Fine, defend the same people they represent.
Democracy. Government of the people, by the people, and for the people.
Well, everybody knows that one.
Everybody go chook mouth for inside this matter.
Everybody know that one.
Now, if they table am and some people, when we say now, una people now, come and talk, say, we not agree, we not support that, what we go do? Because now democracy, I go give you statistics to show and to prove, say, if we want empower women, not be by say we go come and they shout, we want abolish one office, we want do this, we want do that. I go take you back to 2011. No, make I take you back to 2011. From 10%. From 10% to 2011, women representation for government don't increase to 31%.
Beautiful.
By just make her finish.
Hold on. No, I'm not gonna allow you finish.
You not gonna allow me
because women representation don't increase to 31%. Fine. And what change has that brought to Nigeria?
You say what change?
Hold on. See,
are you saying that Nigerians?
No.
No, now what you they try to talk? Say women don't get sense. Now what you they try to talk?
People they represent.
Nigerians, can you hear him?
Chukudi, will you hold on?
Now what you they try to talk?
And they talk so.
Say Nigerian women don't make sense.
What are the people in the bring
Nigerian women don't
what have they been able to do?
People like
hold on now, Chukudi, will you allow me talk? Yes, that is the woman of credibility. That one, come on, feed there.
Thank you. You say what?
Come on, feed there.
Nigerians, can you see?
On the ground, I listen to
and the men when they carry up and down, come on, no they there.
Will you allow me talk?
Come on, no they there.
Will you allow me talk?
Oh,
see,
no, I don't believe.
This is what I'm saying. I not deny the fact that we don't want women in our government. But I not deny the fact that we don't want an increase of women in politics.
But women never do anything.
Wait,
now what do they try to?
We need more of it. But then, I still stand the fact that the present government don't try to bring in women, at least to carry out one or two jobs.
Out of all the other government,
but then they don't try. But then let us now look at the records of some of these women. Make we mention Stella Odua. Then bring her for power. At the end, what is come out from the same power they talk about? See, alleged corruption, say do it. She spent well over 200 and something million naira on top of car. Okay, maybe mention the current minister of petroleum, Design Maduki. The same accusation with the level against them over some billions of naira which they take maintain place. What I was saying about that. Then we can also mention the current minister of finance, Okonji Iweala. We say when the accusation say, look, money means $20 billion they missing for our money. And not till now, as we speak, nothing has been said about that. They don't sweep them under carpet.
Thank you.
See, the thing is this.
No,
Make
you
them
just mentioned only 3 women. Now 3 women you mentioned. But wait.
These are key people for power.
3 women.
What have they been able to do?
Thank you very much.
I need to see that thing where they don't
3
do
women.
to improve this thing.
3 women.
Hold on, young man.
But by
This is what I'm still saying.
2007,
look into
after
credibility.
EFCC carried that
Bring
law
out credible Nigerians.
31 male governors.
Credible Nigerians.
Now they slam case against. You just mentioned 3 women now. Because they feel like say your shoulder they
No. What I'm trying to say.
But for the
after they bring out women, I bring out credible women. We
So?
go fit speak for. We go fit fight for right.
When
Not
the
they bring out people
EFCC
where
slam
they say
charges.
corruption, their record.
How many people EFCC, how many governors when serve this country between 1999 and 2007 EFCC carry case put for their neck? 31. If you put 3 over 31.
Why this current government never for once this thing accuse any leader of corruption and
accuse
this thing?
any waiting.
Of course, or present one somebody say see what you do. They have been quiet over corruption issues. Where me and you know about.
It's a fallacious statement.
It is never a fallacious
for you
statement.
to come out and say
What
they
makes
have
it
been
a fallacious statement?
I will explain to you.
I don't need your explanation.
Even Oga
It
President
is
don't
never a
come
fallacious
out.
statement.
Don't talk say if you dey throw people inside kirikiri just like some people don't promise. Say if you like carry 10 million people throw inside kirikiri. If wetin go still call corruption still dey exist. Say corruption go still dey. I'll give you one example for the agricultural sector. The agricultural minister come out tell us say between 2010 and 2014 say they don save $2 billion for the distribution of fertilizer. We see am abi we no see am. We see am now.
But has that changed?
No, we see am abi we no see am.
Has that changed the cost of the rising cost of food for market? Has that been able to at least make every Nigerian where they there feed well?
Thank you very much.
That is the question. Question you should be answering. Not
all these problems.
They give us all terms where
all
they
these problems so all these problems
so
we face today. I go speak English. Now a culmination of endemic corruption wey don dey since 1960. I go give you example. All the military government wey don come this country, comot government, including the person wey comot government wey say everybody come and elect for 1983. We no go forget. Their excuse na always corruption. Person talk say corruption, he use am as excuse to comot one government. Another government comot and talk say himself dey corrupt. He show say corruption, he don enter into the fabric of our society.
So if you don't enter, what have you done? Why will you allow such corruption to now come even this whole firm for your government?
It's a fallacious statement.
It is never. It is fair because the highest level of corruption we don't experience so far, not under the same government.
You know if you talk you don't make mistake.
Not under the same government.
This discussion will continue. If I make one mistake, I don't tell you say una fit join us. And we do on top of Facebook. Go to Wazobia fan page, like chook man for inside this matter. As the only television station where we key go to use and make pepper soup for una. We give una 3 phone lines, and I won't give una one introduction. We go introduce toll-free lines. Now una go dey call. Now una go dey talk. Now we go dey pay just because of the love we get for una. When we rush go this break, come back. This discussion will continue. Today you must.
Today
talk.
you say go enter. You go talk that way to your man so you never want to.
No, you. You say women.
We go enter.
Welcome back to E DEY HOT, the Ogbonge program. We give you license to talk am as they be you for body on top of the chairman television station, Wazobia TV for Star Times channel 195. Ezugu Chukwudi and Nkubi still there inside studio, and we dey discuss the chances of we Nigerian women to come help this country, because everybody dey call change. We dey look whether wetin men don try o. E can't be like say we not fit do am based on our muscle. Say women go enter. Use sense balance the matter. Remember, say we tell una say we get one ogbonge guest inside studio. Not be small visitor. Na visitor when we say when he come your house, even if you no get light, you must on a generator. Nkubi. Yes.
So now you be the top.
Yeah, I be want make one
No,
point.
talk.
I be want make one point. I want talk and say what we the experience now for our democracy. Now because of say we get presido. When we want look at himself look say okay somehow make we allow people. We go back to 1999 to 2007. See the kind of oppression when we say we witness. Some people they contented with say, I be this person from this part of this country. Now my people are they care for. But now some people don't they look say okay Nigeria on our own. Make we salvage. I go speak English. Make we salvage this country. Make we rescue this country. And me and they put them to you.
So
say,
so far,
as Oga President don't come out.
Me. Make we salvage this country. Make we rescue this country.
We don't see 10% to 31% of women involvement in government. And this is the way you talk.
No.
This is the way you talk.
Young man.
This is the way you talk. It go put you for trouble.
To me.
Say Nigerian women, they don't sabi
anything. What I tend to have
issue
with now government, so now people.
When support
women where they there.
When support
and
women.
Women should be credible enough. Make them appoint women who say we go they credible enough to handle the affairs of the country.
You don't mention
but
3
we
women.
never see them.
You mentioned 3 women.
Yes.
You there talk Stella.
We get corruption allegation.
Thank you. But me,
we get corruption allegation.
I can't take you back to 2007. When Oganu Ribadu look all the government of governors finish, he can submit one file. Alarming. He indict. I go speak English. He indict 31 people. 31 men, I can't tell you, say, do the equation. Make we do fraction. Put 3 over 31, make you cut. Shame we even catch you for the answer when you get.
Listen,
man.
See, you need to understand, say, look, the demand for women to enter into parliament, a gradual trend.
Not be gradual.
See,
Nigeria will be 55 this year. And you talk of gradual.
Listen, see,
why you going to talk of
over years,
when Nigeria will be 55 this year, when all the men who don't get never do anything.
A lot of our years, military don't eat into them. So what are we now saying?
That's not the excuse.
We
don't get 15 years.
15
years of straight democratic rule. Not even they call the military.
What are you saying?
And even the military people went up inside that year. Una don't they come back now and say democracy they sweet.
Forget that way they talk. What are you now saying?
Una they keep women for background. Talk say una go cancel something.
See why would they keep women for background?
Nigerian women.
Where me and you,
I'm saying the truth.
know, say, look, check out some states for this Nigeria.
What did the governors when the men don't do?
We get women when they represent for high offices, where be deputy governors, where be commissioners of high top position, where they do things. Not because they bring women who say,
no, they don't say when be. As if you they mention all this kind of thing, make you they back them up with facts.
No, they
you say we get deputy governor when they. I just tell you, say, if Nuhu Ribadu of EFCC, free indict 31 men, governors, when rule their country for 8 years, some 4 years, say they chop the country dry. What do we still they wait for? Oga Jonah don't start machinery.
You find escape route.
Put them emotion. Not the matter of escape route.
You know why? You find escape route because just they mention men. How many women there for this government where you mention? How many women there for this governors where you mention?
I tell you, say what?
What gives you the impression, say, he said that they power, say they for not chop money.
If to say, you don't enter if to say now.
No,
you mentioned 3 women. You mentioned 3 women. Can't they feel like say you don't mention?
Of course.
I just give you total number of 31 men.
And in the end, these same 3 women no go give us guaranteed leadership.
You cannot say that.
Guaranteed.
You cannot say that.
A corruption-free leadership.
You cannot say that. Who be the person when come out, come fight all the bad runs when they do for NAFDAC, man or woman? You know, they answer me.
The same way.
If you don't answer me, you go get quarrel.
I don't get issue.
Man or woman?
The late Professor Doro Akunyili.
Man or woman?
Now woman.
Thank you
very
much.
I don't follow
that
you.
That one question. Now, you even they mention, say Stella Odua do this, Stella Odua do that. Remember, say, the committee when the matter concerned to chook mouth on top. When we say different political parties belong to, for the National Assembly, House of Senate, and the lower house, they took the matter talk, say the woman no get any problem.
I take end.
Enugu Airport, I travel
I take end. How you take end? Tell me how you take end.
Enugu Airport.
There's no sweep of under carpet.
You which carpet? Where the
Why
carpet?
did I take end?
Where the carpet?
Tell me how you take end.
Enugu Airport, where we say it even the hot.
But the question is, she buy that car, but she no buy an answer. Say yes or no.
Why you go they ask me?
Why no go ask you?
The committee when they look inside the matter, don't
She
look
buy
finish,
that
come
car,
out.
she no buy
Now
her.
they ask me.
Answer that question.
Now you go get quarrel for this
Answer
show.
to that question.
No, they tell me say.
What did the man no answer? What did they try to tell me? No, they open this your eye
Yes,
for me.
our people when they for house, time don't reach for us to bring in our ogbonge guests. Now, una they always they tell us so. Say if these people want make it be say una come out, come support them. Say make we carry them come here. We go carry them come. Anyone will agree say yes, he indeed won't stand for Nigeria. He go come. Now why? We don't carry big masquerade come and they speak, not be saying a masquerade, but na big person. And you know, say we tell una say we get 11 presidential candidates. One don't land. The eagle has landed inside house today to tell una as he take before Nigeria. And she dey special. She dey special. I go talk her because na woman. And the person when I talk about na Professor Mrs. Remi Shonaya. Now, woman wey belong to Kowa party, she don't carry flag talk say even ordinary man like me, ordinary man like Unkubi, and ordinary people like you in our country, so we go lead this country. She go come sit down inside studio, chook mouth for this matter when we discuss as it take concern whether Nigeria don't ripe for woman to become president, or whether she go frying pan and knife they cut yam inside the kitchen, as some people don't tell us say now wetin they want make our Nigerian women.
I no talk so.
Now wetin una talk?
Now wetin they accuse you of? How I go talk so?
Because una
when
talk.
When you say some women don't seek enter government, they no do wetin they supposed to do. So wetin you get women I talk?
We go rush go this break. When we go this break, come back. All the things where you talk, you go talk am for our front. You go talk am for our front. When we go this break, come back. Professor Mrs. Remi Shonaya of Kowa party go don sit down inside house to talk as it take concern all the matter we dey discuss for this country Nigeria as e dey hot. We dey come back. You go talk am today. You say Nigerian women no sabi.
Yes, welcome back. The program now as E DEY HOT, and the matter we dey look today now the matter of women in politics for Obodo Naija, and then we don't call me and Chuku don't first look the first face of it. We don't argue from the angle we see, and then we also tell us say we get one Ogbonge guest, one Ogbonge visitor for house, and the only presidential aspirant where they represent one of the political parties, and her name now Professor Comfort Oluremi Sunaya. As I talk, madam, you're welcome.
Thank you.
I welcome you for this program.
Thank you very much.
Make you know say this program now pick you to take relate to. Now what you take relate for this program, and I hope say you go feel speak English. I mean speak the way our viewers go feel understand.
I go feel speak
Hey, madam, first thing first, may I first ask you, wetin be that thing, wetin be that drive, wetin be that thing wey make you say, no, time don't reach. Time don't reach for we women to also stand up upon our right. Time don't reach for somebody like me to come and say, yes, I want contest as president for Naija.
Thank you very much. The thing where they drive me be say, we don't suffer tire for this country. It don't do. It don't do.
Okay.
We they see all other countries as then they better. If we look right, we look left, we they see say things they get better for other places. Why things no better well for our own country. And I be the matter.
So, okay, so because of say things better for some countries and they no better for our, but so now be the drive we make you say yes you want come contest.
Yeah, make life dey better for everybody.
For everybody.
Make this country no be like say it be for one group or one small group only.
One other question I want to ask you, say you know say any candidate when they come into power go tell you. Go tell Nigeria and say, look, you want to change the life of Nigerians. So you want to make sure say things better. You want to make sure say he provide the employment. He provide this one. He provide this one. It just be like national anthem where they listen to every day where any candidate they come out. Say you where they tell Nigerians now say, look, say you don't get tired of the way things they go and you want to make things better. So what you go give Nigerians that same assurance? Say if they elect you as power, say. If they elect you to, but that same thing, what they don't hear over the years, they know you know go repeat itself again.
The thing be say me, I know be like all the others. We don't date there before. As you see, I be woman.
Okay.
We never get woman there before. So that one, it be like say I be one category by myself. And I know Sabi do the kind things where people they do.
Like waiting.
One governor talk say all politicians na liars.
So you want me say if you come in super, say you would be very, very transparent.
Yeah, no sabi do that kind one.
And you want to give Nigerians this secret, say if you come in super, say you go tell Nigerians the truth and nothing but the truth.
The truth and nothing but the truth.
You know, say it always they sweet to the talk when
I know,
you never enter power.
I know, say they sweet for mouth.
But no, you never enter power. But I want if you can enter power, maybe you should say what no go change.
Me, I no be like that.
Okay.
The people who know me, no say I no be like that.
Okay. So another question. Okay, you they come up for presido for Obodo Naija. I want to ask which political experience, because if you look over years, see the people they come out for presidential and this thing, go say they get one or two experiences. If they never be governors, they go be senators. If they never be senators, they go don't hold one political portfolio. We go fish say yes, we don't test this person don't test power. You know as government be. Which portfolio you don't get to give you that guarantee? Say yes, so I don't get enough experience to come lead our Obodo Naija.
The people will get all that experience. You see where they don't land us now.
But you know, say that is why our government.
Don't see where they land us.
Our government they no be anyhow kind of government.
I know.
It is very strong.
It is strong.
And it must be very, very strong to be able to rule Nigeria.
Many people where they for government, where don't get experience before. Which kind profit me I get from the experience where they get before? Why it be say when I travel from Lagos to Ife, I fit spend 7 hours on the road, on bad road. Why be say this how many weeks where I don't do Lagos now? I don't know how many hours I don't get for electricity. Which kind of experience they get to be that one?
Okay. Under big challenge where I know say look, where women they normally face when it comes to vying for a particular position now. Gender matter. Gender matter. You know, say we always look. Men, a lot of our men feel say, look, say the right place of the woman now for kitchen. I know say woman never fit come out, can't say he won't do it, he won't come rule Nigeria when men dey. You understand? So waiting how it is how you go fit counter, how you go fit take cover all those loopholes. I mean, you understand? Because now another big challenge where you fit face if you want this thing contest. So I want to cover those loopholes. I want to convince men. Say, look, me, I not be like every other person. If I want enter power, see what I go do.
See, now maybe not through talk small you talk there, because waiting me I don't see. They say people don't they change you. If our men they change. First of all, my own husband no be like that at all. Okay. And they get many people where I know will no be like that. If you go all the Facebook, Twitter, all of where I don't they talk. So many people don't they talk say, hey, make we give women chance for this country. Oh. Only one or two. They talk say, make it go stay for kitchen. They cook, maybe make it the pound yam for a husband. Things don't they change.
Things don't they change.
Things
Okay.
don't they change
I also believe say things don't they change.
Things don't they change.
And based on things don't they change, we could also bring this question up. Okay. From one of the interview they grant you from one of these media houses, you get one thing where you talk about campaigns and the money where electorate they spend. Say, look, all the money, the millions of naira where they spend inside campaign to they do this thing. See, they supposed to carry that kind of money, do it. Carries, go take solve situation for our Abudu Naija, attend to this, attend to that. Okay, you where they come out, come contest now. Where you intend getting your own money, go take run their affair because you understand what I try to talk. How you want to generate the money where you go take run your campaign and also make Nigerians know say somebody like you did there we also contest to. Now
two things you talk there. First, the money where some people they spend they too much. Shame they catch me. Okay. Shame they catch me because it gets people friends where go call me talk say you people, you get that kind of money for campaign. You know free user, you know fit use them. Do this, do that in your country. So that one, that kind of money, they make shame catch me small.
They make
but that one no talk to say we no need money for campaign. We need money, but not that kind one.
So. You cannot be that kind of one. So wait, Madam Prof. So what you try to tell them, say, if you there in the position of people like this where they spend big money, you understand, to take wrong campaign, and maybe your political party the opportunity to get that kind of big money, say, with the kind of ambition to become president, say, if you say, since I don't get this opportunity, this money, this huge money what I don't get, make I use and do campaign, so that people go know me. Rather than say you won't give an out to people or take solve situation because of course you go want make people hear your voice. You go want make people know you well. You go want make people say vote for you. And for you to achieve that kind of thing, you go need money. And you can't get that kind of money. Say you get that kind of money, assuming say you get that kind of money. You should say deep inside your church mind, madam. Deep inside your church mind. You know go say no, make we invest this thing inside campaign.
I know fit spend money like that. A person must respect money. If not true, say somebody work hard for that money, you know go they throw away like that now. Anyway,
for the benefit of Nigerians, okay, for the benefit of Nigerians, the watchers, this is Professor Oluremi Shonaya, the only female candidate where they vie for the presidential position under COA party. And okay, madam. Back to our question. I still want to ask you one important question. And the question can be, okay, for instance, look the political this thing we do on ground now. You go see only two major candidates. Two major candidates now we get on ground. where people they normally talk about, with people they normally, you understand, where the people they normally vibe for. So if no be this person, it will be this person. And out of how many candidates we get, out of 11 presidential candidates, only 2 they hear of. Okay, still part on trying to make people understand, say somebody like you, they where they contest. What and what you don't do so far to make sure, say, look, Nigerians also know, say, you they vie for this position.
I don't they try for my own side. As you don't talk, say I no get the kind money where person fit splash, put a giant billboard, put so many things. But where I fit make my stamp, say people I dey here, especially for young people, because na them dey my mind. The young people of Nigeria, now them really dey my mind.
Okay.
I dey try to talk to them.
Okay.
Where them dey, and many of them, them and their phone. You know as them be when they walk around. Now with phone. Now there they send my message. Go reach them. Say this election where we want to do next time. Think about this, think about this, think about this.
Okay. So, madam, thank you. Make we deviate from the political thing. Make we can't look the issues we get for about Nigeria. You go see, say, for some years now, we get insecurity begins, insecurity matter, insecurity, the killing over there, killing over there. You understand? The death rate as a result of insecurity don't dey too much.
Too high.
And nobody say, make we tell us, nobody say the government at the moment, at the present, no, they try you, and they try their own best. And then, which kind of guarantee you go fit give Nigerians? So you think with that way you go do about security if you come inside power?
The matter for security now, everybody matter. Because government alone no fit do am. Police alone no fit do am. When then they carry young girl from one house, they put explosive for him body to go use them for suicide bombing. Say people know they around where they see say something they happen for that house. So, our people must begin to see, say this thing, it concerns all of us. The role where government fit play, now make government be example, make people get trust for leaders.
Okay, so
okay,
madam. So, madam Prof. So you want to say the present government no they try for insecurity matter?
Who talk say no they try?
Okay.
I talk say waiting person fit do more. People don't they talk before. If you no give better guns, better equipment, better treatment to the people where they do this work for us, how you want make them make them work very hard?
Make we quickly collect this call from Alex. Alex, they call us from Mina. Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Shukudi. Good morning, Prof.
Nkubi.
Nkubi, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, Prof.
Good morning. How you do?
I be earlier called into crossfire where we are on seat.
Okay.
Nkubi.
Yes.
You see, there is this saying, behind every successful man, there is a woman.
Okay.
Why can't we reverse it? Behind every successful woman, there is a man. If I go a bit into history, women don't make their part. In every department of life of this country, women don't stand their own. I remember the era of Professor Grace Alele Williams, when she was the Vice Chancellor of the University of Benin. I remember the role the Aba women played during that Aba riot. And then I remember social activists like the mother of Fela, Madam Kuti. And then more recently, the retired Chief Justice of the Federation, Justice Aloma Mukhtar. You see, these women, they don't try them in a very high position. While we Nigerian men believe that they're not going to try women at that top echelon of leadership, the presidency. You see, my mama there. If my certificate won't look, he qualify now, he overqualify first. Because it's not very easy to read books, say you make a professor. Because you be the outcome of the experience when you get. If you know that she's an embodiment of experience already, she can make it.
Okay, thank you very much, Oga Alex.
You see why I talk,
you
say...
don't make your point. Thank you.
The idea don't they change, oh?
The idea
so many
don't
people
change,
out there, they don't think say now only kitchen we must
nobody go even get such thought. We get another caller. Lucky they call us from Warri. Good morning, Lucky.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
Good morning, bro.
Good morning. How you doing?
I'm fine. See, I want to really thank you because not only be the woman now when it stand up, come say you want contest for presidency. But the problem now, I don't know why I not come out for the major two party. APC did there and PDP did there. Why anybody know why you not come out for that? Because this is your party now. To be honest with you, for this worry, they say I'm not sure say would they hear and say one party like that. Maybe today now I will be the first time when I do the year of this your party. It seems they a little bit summer for me.
Okay.
No. But why would I not be come out for real strong party? I don't not believe so I go fail win or something.
Okay, thank you very much, Lucky. Madam, that question
that question now for me. The thing be say, as people they talk about the things where they happen for this kind big party, you know, like my brother go say go talk English small. Internal democracy. When one Baba go down there, say nah this thing go happen. Me I no fit. I know they fit work with people like that. I must put my mouth inside the thing where I do. Nobody go fit push me, say this is
what you talk now, right now, also remind me of one of the things where I also read about you. Where you say Godfatherism, say they no need supposed give chance, room for Godfatherism to they enter into government. Okay, I can't feel say, okay, if for instance, as you they vie for presidential this position, and then you can't see one kind of ogbonge person where we say we go give you support, strong support. Say, madam, I go support you in any way. I go help you. I make sure say this thing. Say you work out over this presidential stuff. Sure, you go say no to her. Abi no go say no.
Anybody will want support me.
On the ground, say you know as politics been. On the ground, say
no ground for me. No ground.
But in quote, say you go enter that position as president.
One thing where I don't tell people say I no get baggage. Now so my hand go be. No baggage at all.
Okay.
I no want nobody go give me baggage where I no want carry.
Okay.
So if he want support me with money, make it they do am by himself. But me, no baggage.
Madam, I believe that on this note we go thank you once again for coming on the program, because we still need to bring in our own colleague, make you also come sit down, make we talk about what you don't also talk about. So I beg viewers, now on this note we'll end this interview, and by the time we go for this break, come back, Chukwu they go down resume. Make we go, will they come?
The mic is on a belt. Now welcome back to As E Dey Hot, the ogbonge program wey give una license to talk am as e dey be una for body. We no dey take too much calls recently because of say we want people wey be say dey there, wey wan dey there, wey know as e be to talk am, and na why we carry Professor Remi Sonaya wey wan become Oga President for inside this country from Kowa party to come inside studio to come talk am to see how women get chance to become president for inside this country. We no go waste too much time. Wetin we still dey discuss na women in politics. We go take some quick message on top of Facebook, make e no be like say our people no dey here. Mark Sunday talk say Professor Comfort na Abuja I dey o. Na time for us to get comfort for inside this we obodo Nigeria. Another person also talk say time don come but prejudice no go gree. Prejudice na bad belle. He say make we put am aside. Many people dey talk for Facebook say what a man have tried or what men have tried to do since but they couldn't do. Say it don't reach time for women to come do am because women, their mind cool and their head not dey too dey hot. We will continue this discussion. We'll go on to our Facebook, continue. Twitter at TV As E Dey Hot will continue. Send us email to our website asideyhot@wazobiatv.tv. We will continue this talk. We no go stop am here. Because if we want change for this our country, then all of us must rise. All of us must talk. All of us must vote. Come February 14 and February 28. Nkubi.
You hear Madam this thing
she
now,
don't
Professor
talk well.
Sonaya.
She sabi book now.
No, that prof. Now woman wey sabi. No doubt. So viewers, now here we go round up today's edition of As E Dey Hot, and we'll still carry on coming at Domot again tomorrow. So until tomorrow, from you, Nkubi, I say, me I continue to stick to Wazobia TV.
She don't talk and finish.
Wait,
Money for me to
I
talk
not
again.
say she no talk.
Nigerian women at their time.
Now.